My herb, man. It be major, you got your urban on. Chill. In my herb, man. Ay, in my herb, man. Ay, in my herb, man.
It's so unusual me how I can see that thing you got on your back from your front. So beautiful to me. Girl, you see this dream of God. You be walking all through it the way you do it. I want you so, so bad. Oh, you running through my mind. All I see is your behind. That's all I see is your behind. I want you so, so bad. You're running through my mind. All I see is your behind. That's all I see, shawty, yeah. So bad, you're running. And all I see is you watching your eyes, looking into my eyes. All I need is to be inside. We start at the front, go to the behind. Shawty, I want you so, so bad. You running through my mind. All I see is your behind. All I see, yeah. I want you so, so bad. So bad. Ooh, you running through my mind. All I see is your behind.
Watch your back, more bigger than the usual. Little mama, why you so fat? How long did it take that thing to grow? I love to hear that from back. Me and my cut good, you and your gut good. Girl, on your butt good, nigga, your gut good. And you already did. Sit down, put some hands on the knee, get shit.
I want you so bad. You running through my mind. All I see is your behind. Yeah. You got a backside on you, girl. Make me wanna act right. You make me wanna spend a couple stacks just to stand and watch you from the back. I want you so bad. You running through my mind. All I see is your behind. Yeah. I want you so bad. You running through my mind. All I see is your behind. Yeah.
I gave you prophecy on my first jump. But you all lamed out. I ain't really appreciate it. The second one's out. Danger. Your face is amazing, blazing, hot like Cajun, and all I need is a minute. Please, no gimmicks. She telling me to chill on the real and take a trip to Satan. Send me to hell with it, then I yell with it. Do the hell with your crew. You say you got a man, what the hell with him too? The seats a seashell, the whip is sea blue, and you can swim through. Ain't a lot of women that I can't swim through, and you can't say that I don't tempt you. Cause if you said that, you's a liar. Grip them legs back, call me pliers.